Hello, everybody. It is Sweet Crypto here today. It is turning $1,000 into $10,000 flipping NFTs. Episode 4. We got a ton, and I mean a ton of stuff to go over in today's video about the series. As you can see, there's a bunch of NFTs that you have never seen in my collection before. So I'm going to show you guys what happened. We made a massive gain that will really help us get to that 10,000 mark, hopefully soon. Let's look in our MetaMask real quick. I'm going to take you through all the activity. As you can see, I have $1,800 in the MetaMask account, 0.43 ETH. I did have 2,300 earlier, but I did mint something at 7 a.m. today. So let's show you guys everything that went on. So first, the biggest trade of basically the episode 4 was I minted Fat Cats. I'm sure I went over that in the last episode. I minted Fat Cats, but just to recap, minted Fat Cats, minted this crypto wrap, flipped this squishy, and then what I did is I think I mentioned this. If I didn't, I'll go over it again. But what I did is I minted Tipsy Tiger, 2 of them, sold one to get break even on the project, and then I'm holding the other one till reveal, or maybe hold it after. And then, as you know, my lab rat that I minted 2. I sold one to break even, and basically I wanted to get out of it quickly because I thought the project was dying. So what I did is I sold it for 0.5 ETH, $2,000. What a great gain by me. So this project literally made me $2,000 profit on this project. Awesome. That's what really helped this episode. I sold an NFT here, which I ended up transferring to another account. This was not part of the series. What I did is I also bought this Shaq Gives Back NFT. I picked up the floor after mint because I thought it could be a flip, a hold. Floor price is 0.02, so I'm not doing very good on that. That may be a very big L trade. Maybe wasted like $250 or something like that. So that's not good, but I ended up listing 2 of these Fat Cats that I did mint. And right now, Fat Cats, it's not doing so great. I did get rare NFTs. Floor price is very much dropped. But, I have faith in the project. I think the project could still do very well. So I'm going to hold on. I'm not going to lower it. There's no point of selling it at this low, personally. So I'm still going to hold on and see what happens. I'm literally just going to hold. I'm going to hold it, even if I do take a loss, it will be about a $450 loss, $500 loss, so that does suck, but I'm still going to hold. I think this project could definitely bounce back and do well. And then Guardian Kongs, I just minted today at 7 a.m. So basically what I did here was I minted this collection that I gave out whitelist to. Hopefully you got into that. And right now, floor price 0.075. So this would be a pretty nice flip. I mean, I minted for only 0.06, so it wouldn't be a massive gain at all, not even close. But, I mean, I'm not going to flip it right now. There's literally no point. As you can see, it's, the whitelist is today, only 110 items minted. So, one did sell, which, let's see which one this one is. Number 69, it looks like. Obviously, that one sold. So what I'm doing with these is basically listing both of these for 0.2 ETH. I set the floor at 0.2 ETH. I was the first one. Sorry, I'm holding the second one. I'm kind of ranting right now, but this one right here, I was the first one to list, so I listed at 0.2 ETH. I set the floor for multiple NFTs on the floor at 0.2. Someone undercut me to 0.175, and then it went on to 0.15. So basically, we're just going to hold. I do think this project has tons of potential, so I'm not willing to sell. I do have very low numbers, as you could tell, so that really does help. Trying to flip these here, and basically that's what's going on right now. I mean, the projects that I'm looking at, and by the way, if you don't follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on Twitter. That'd be pretty dope. I tweet out stuff sometimes. And also I have an alpha group. If you want to join that, give a ton of projects that are given away. And then normally my whitelist giveaways priority normally goes to my Discord. So if I have tons of giveaways I can give out, so like example Guardian Kongs, they hooked me up with 20 whitelist giveaways. Everybody in my Discord was able to get a whitelist for that. So Anyway, projects that I'm looking at that are coming up. Obviously, MTG did mint today. Let's go take a look at that because I slept through it. I heard it was impossible to mint, so I'm not too mad at myself for that. But I'm still mad at myself for sleeping through the public mint date. Floor price almost zero point 0.4 ETH. I think this project is going to be amazing. I mean, I'm not even joking. I may just buy one and hold. I definitely think this could be a 1 ETH floor. And I definitely think it could. I don't see any stopping of it. The floors are getting swept continuously, so I definitely may just buy one. I definitely may just do that. And if I did do that, we're looking at basically $1,500, and we're on a tight budget, but I think it could be a very nice flip. And I may just do that right now. I could buy this one now. Do I really want to do that? No, but it does eat up so much of my budget, which definitely sucks. But we could get this one right here, and it's hard. It's hard because really, that takes almost all our budget away, right? And to mint stuff, it's gonna be very hard to mint stuff, and so many things are coming out. And I could sell other stuff in my collection, but I really have a hard time doing that. And you know what? Sometimes in life, you just gotta do it. You know what I'm saying? So basically, what we're gonna do here. Well, okay, maybe this is a sign not to do it. I'm gonna send it. I just bought. Okay, I did not expect to do that this video. I just bought MTG, More Than Gamers NFT. Okay. So hopefully, I think that could be a very nice flip. Definitely think it could be a very nice flip. I mean, really, realistically speaking, we did get lucky selling that one. We barely have anything in here now. $200. So it's gonna be hard. Obviously, this challenge is starting with $1,000, and I can't put more money into my MetaMask and load up, which I would normally do. But maybe I'll do that on a different account to not miss a mint. Yeah, I'll probably do that because it's like this wallet. I was only expecting doing NFTs on this wallet and climbing, but now that I did that to hold it for flip, on a different wallet that's not part of the. I'll probably give videos updates on what I did, but on a different wallet, I'll probably end up loading some more money in there, a couple $1,000s or something like that, and end up, minting stuff that I couldn't on this wallet. But hopefully, my goal is until reveal. I'm not gonna hold this till reveal. I'm definitely not. We could accept these, but why would I do that? I'm definitely not gonna sell this before reveal. After reveal, this is a pretty low number, 3,500. So this was a whitelist NFT, and I definitely think this could be a nice flip. Again, I do think this project can be a 1 ETH floor. People are continuously picking up the floors, and I mean, once you see people are doing that, it really gives an idea away that this could go to 1 ETH floor. After reveal, we could see stuff like this project is so close. I mean, not that close, but it's like CloneX, okay? And as you guys know, CloneX, well, it's pretty good. The floor is at 4.75 ETH. So I'm not saying that this could be a CloneX. I'm saying that this could be something like it. I mean, we could definitely see a 1 ETH floor on this, and that's the reason why I'm basically just bought one, because I think the floor could be a 1 ETH, and that's a great flip if the floor could be a 1 ETH. Now, a project that did dip that I'm going to talk about a little bit was that I was thinking of buying was these Slotty NFTs. Now, I'm glad I didn't, because it did end up dipping a lot, but this is something I'm looking at for an investment. And there's other stuff, like I'm trying to get into whitelist to mint. And ultimately, my goal, as you guys know, is to build up to that 10,000 mark. Now, I am extremely shocked on how Adidas 1.48 ETH floor price. What the heck? You know what I'm saying? Okay. This is 0.7, so maybe they're wrong. But I mean, yeah, this is absolutely insane. So I'm so shocked on this. Yeah, it just dipped. But basically, in this episode, we just made a massive purchase, $1,500 purchase for More Than Gamers NFT. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully, we can flip that into an ETH after reveal. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.